A night superbus caught fire and was gutted after colliding with a bike on Wednesday night at the civil hospital in Nongpoh. In the incident, the rider of the bike bearing registration number ML05Y3698 died on the spot inside the bus with registration number AS01GC3288 that went up in flames. According to police sources, the accident occurred when the bike was traveling on the wrong side of the road and rammed head-on into the bus. Fire tenders rushed to the scene to douse the flames, while police have registered a case in connection with the incident and an investigation is underway.
Baik saya.
Layak aku deh, layak aku. Layak.
Mari aduh, kemat layar atau kemat layar.